Next, I will click on this Explore Judge Me option. This is the dashboard of this app. Here, you'll see this pop-up, which will encourage you to try the premium plan of this app. You can try the premium plan for 15 days for absolutely free. But for now, I will continue with the free plan. Now, you can see the dashboard of this app, and you will also see this advanced setup checklist. You can simply follow this checklist to set this app even further. Okay, now it's time to check if this app is working fine or not. So I will simply go to the Shopify store and then click on any product here. Here, when you scroll down, you'll see this customer review section. So I will click on this Write a Review button. First, I will give my ratings here. Next, I will simply enter some dummy text in these sections. I can also upload some photos or videos here. And then I will simply add my name and email and then click on this Submit button. Now, it will take some moments to update the review. So, I will simply refresh this page, and as you can see, the review is now available here, which means that the review app is working just fine. Okay, now let's say that I am not liking the color of this review in my page. So I will simply go back to the dashboard, and then I will go to General Settings on the left. Here, I will click on Branding, and then I will change this color from yellow to green. And now if I go back and refresh this product page, you'll see that the color is now looking much more attractive. And with this step, our product review setup is complete. This was just a basic setup of this app, but there are a ton of things that you can do with this app. For example, if you go back to the dashboard and then go to this widget option, you'll see many other options. These are some advanced stuff, and for now I will skip these parts as the basic setup is complete. But if you want me to create a detailed tutorial on this app, then simply comment tutorial in the comment section, and I will create a detailed tutorial on this product review app. Alright, now it's time for us to install another app which will help us boost our store sales. So, I will click on Apps on the left, and then I will search for Product Bundles. There are over 2,000 Product Bundles app on Shopify right now, but only few of them are the best ones. For this store, I am going to use this Bundler Product Bundle app. This app also have a free plan which is good enough for anyone. And if you go to the pricing section, you'll see the different pricing plans. But if you are just starting out, the free plan will be good enough for you. You can also go to the demo store of this app to see what features it provides. Here, you can see this bulk discount option. This section is created using this Bundler app. Next, when you scroll down, you'll see this product bundle. This is also created using this product bundle app. And the best part is that both of these sections are available in the free plan of this app. Okay, now I will go back to the App Store and click on this Install button. Once the app is installed, you'll see this interface. Here, we need to select a plan. I will go with the free plan, but you can also try the paid plans for 7 days for absolutely free. Next, on the bottom right, you'll see this video tutorial option. Here, you'll find a detailed tutorial on this app. You'll also find some FAQs on this left section, which is a great help for those who are just starting out with this app.